Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When a cicada gets stuck in its nymph exoskeleton, it typically dies attached to the spot where it started molting. It never gets a chance to fly, sing or mate. However, the young cicadas that molted successfully were very sluggish because of the low temperatures, and few took flight.
Take our lead.
Freeze, blanch and prepare your recipe. Jaden, though, says that freezing cicadas could change the texture, rendering them unfit for certain recipes. In her Cicadalicious cookbook, she suggests preserving the cicadas in frigid temperatures only if you plan on roasting them.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.